Hello everyone, welcome back. As in the previous class, we have completed adipose connective tissue. So today in this class, we will study the dense regular connective tissue, which is the another part of the connective tissue. So dear student, dense regular connective tissue, it is also called the fibrous connective tissue. So what is the unique feature of the fibrous connective tissue? Here the fibers, they are orderly arranged. So main feature is fibers are orderly arranged. Am I clear? And if we talk about the types of the dense regular connective tissue, then it is basically of two types is here of dense regular connective tissue. So one is the tendon and second one is ligament. One is the tendon and another one is the ligament. Am I clear? So just to explain these two fibrous tissue, I am going to draw here one simple diagram, and I hope that diagram will help you a lot to understand the concept of these two fibrous connective tissue. I am going to draw the diagram of the leg portion containing knees, having knee. So this is the leg portion and this is the knee. So this is knee, okay, and whatever you will see here, this is one bone. Sorry students. So in this way there is one bone, or simply the bone is here in this way, and there is present another bone, long bone, okay. So whatever you see, and also students, there are present fibers. So these are the fibers. So what is it actually? Here I am going to label it. These are the two bones. This is what? This is muscle. Okay. So the fibrous tissue which connect muscle to bone, this one, this tissue is called the tendon. Am I clear? The tissue which connect muscle to bone is called the tendon, and the tissue, this one, which connect to bone, that is called the ligament. Am I clear? So the tissue which connect to bone is called the ligament, and the tissue which connect muscle to bone, that is called the tendon. And in your daily life you heard one word, and that word is called the sprain. That is very common word, sprain, जिसको आप कहते हो मोच आना हिंदी में. तो sprain क्यों होती है? This is the today's fact. Sprain is caused due to the overstretching of the ligament. Okay, so due to overstretching of ligament, sprain occurs. Am I clear? Now we will study in detail about the tendon and the ligament. So we will differentiate both tendon and the ligament. So let's differentiate it. At one side you will write the tendon On another side you will write ligament. Am I clear? And you have to now differentiate both these fibrous tissue. So first of all you should know tendon. Tendon is a Latin language word. It arises from a Latin language word tendo. Tendo means to stretch. Okay, and ligament, it also arises from Latin language word ligamentum, which means band. Am I clear? Second one is tendon, joint muscle to bone ना, तो टेंडन के जो फाइबर्स होती हैं, टेंडन फाइबर्स क्या होते हैं बच्चे? दीज आर थिक एंड टफ फाइबर. सो टेंडन इज थिक, टेंडन इज थिक एंड टफ फाइबर्स. ओके, और जो लिगामेंट होते हैं बच्चे, लिगामेंट क्या होते हैं? लिगामेंट्स आर थिन फाइबर्स. एम आई क्लियर? लिगामेंट्स आर द थिन फाइबर्स. अब टेंडन का फंक्शन क्या है? टेंडन जॉइंस muscle to bone. Tendon joins muscles to bones. Am I clear? While ligament joins, here from the diagram you can see ligament joins two bones. ओके, अब टेंडन जो है, टेंडन्स में आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हो कि टेंडन्स जो होती हैं दे आर स्कैटर्ड इनटू द, दे आर अरेंज्ड पैरेलली. ओके, व्हाइल लिगामेंट्स क्या होती हैं? दे आर स्कैटर्ड इनटू द मैट्रिक्स. सो टेंडन्स आर अरेंज्ड पैरेलली इन द मैट्रिक्स. टेंडन्स में क्या है? इसके जो फाइबर्स होती हैं, टेंडन्स के फाइबर्स. व्हाइल हियर फाइबर्स आर स्कैटर्ड इनटू द मैट्रिक्स. और मैंने आपको बताया कि ये थिक और टफ होता है, तो ये किससे बना होता है? इट इज मेड अप ऑफ white fibrous connective tissue. It is made up of white fibrous connective tissue, while ligament is made up of yellow fibrous connective tissue. Am I clear? So if we talk about white fiber, the white fiber you have studied, white fibrous tissue is made up of collagen fiber. So tendon, these fibers are made up of collagen protein. Okay, so and this one fibers are made up of elastin protein. अब ये क्या होते हैं, दे आर टफ एंड थिक, तो ये कोलेजन फाइबर से बने हैं तो ये इनफ्लेक्सिबल होती हैं, और लिगामेंट्स जो होती हैं ये क्या होते हैं, सॉरी, दे आर फ्लेक्सिबल बट दे आर नॉट फ्लेक्सिबल. Am I clear? So this was all about the difference between the tendon and the ligament. So let's take a recap. Today what we have discussed, we have studied the dense regular connective tissue, the another name for it and its main feature. Then we have studied that it is of two types, one is the tendon and another one is the ligament. Then I have given you one of the simple example of the leg where we can easily find out the tendon and the ligament, which are the part of the connective tissue. Okay, so tendon join muscle to bone while ligament join two bones. Okay, then we have differentiated both tendon and the ligament, and as I told you the fact that what is sprain. Am I clear? तो ligament जो टेंडन्स होते हैं बच्चे, टेंडन क्या कॉज करते हैं, यू सी कि जॉइंट्स के ऊपर बोन्स दे कैन इजीली रोटेट. ओके, सो दैट इज ड्यू टू द ligament. Here are two bones. At the site of two bone there is present the joint, and at the joint side bones can easily rotate. So that is due to the ligament. Okay, and tendon join muscles to the bone. So with this again, thanks to all.